Alright guys, here we are with another SYMA product that they sent me. Hit me up on TikTok. It's their RC helicopter. We're going to go ahead and open this up and see what's in the box. Alright, oh, missed it. Alright. Open it up upside down. There's a helicopter. Looks pretty nice. We got our batteries in there and tools. Got the guide, user guide. Cool. Pretty cool looking helicopter actually. Check that out. There's a remote. Remote for it. Ah. Oh, I missed that one, didn't I? Okay. There she is. See how big it is. Pretty cool. I'm going to have a video of me using it soon. So look out for that video of me using it outside as soon as I get it charged.